In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a document approval workflow using Jotform. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, having an efficient approval workflow can significantly streamline your processes, and Jotform makes it surprisingly simple to get started. So let's dive right in. First, open up your preferred web browser and search for Jotform. Once you've found their website, go ahead and either log in with your existing account or sign up for a new one if you haven't already. Jotform offers a user-friendly interface that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned users alike. Once you're logged in, you'll want to choose Form from the dashboard. You have the option to start from scratch, which allows full customization, or you can select from Jotform's extensive library of templates. These templates are ideal if you want a quicker setup or need some inspiration. Now, when designing your form, it's essential to include fields required for the approval process. This might include email addresses for the approvers or specific information related to the document that needs approval. These fields will ensure that all necessary data is captured right from the start. Next, head over to the settings. If you're using Lanteria HR, navigate through Settings, then Settings and Configuration, Core HR, and finally, Processes and Approval Workflows. However, if you're sticking with the Jotform workflows, simply click on Settings and then Approval Flows. Both options are designed to help you start crafting your workflow. When setting up your approval workflow, you can begin with a blank slate, a pre-built one-step process, or select from Jotform's template library. This flexibility allows you to construct a workflow that best suits your organizational needs, whether they're simple or complex. Now comes the customization part. Jotform provides an intuitive drag-and-drop builder that makes modifying your workflow a breeze. You can add all necessary steps and tailor it to fit the specifics of your team's approval process. Be sure to add the individuals or groups who are responsible for approving the document at various stages. By assigning the right people, you ensure each document is reviewed by the appropriate eyes. You'll also need to specify the actions that approvers can take, such as approve, deny, or any other custom outcomes you may need. These decisions will dictate how the document flows through the approval chain. To keep everyone in the loop, configure email notifications. This will alert approvers about pending requests and send confirmation or rejection emails to the submitter accordingly. Additionally, consider implementing conditional logic to create different paths based on form responses or decisions taken by the approvers. This makes your workflow intelligent and adaptable to different scenarios. Finally, set up any automated tasks that need to occur after a document is approved, such as adding a user to a system or assigning them to a project. This automation saves time and reduces manual effort. Once everything is set up, you can share your form with others via a link, invite users through email, or even embed the form directly on your website, making it accessible and easy to use for everyone involved. And that's it. You now have a robust document approval workflow crafted and ready to streamline your work processes with Jotform. Thank you for watching, and happy workflow building.